Today we discuss Hayes diagram. Hayes diagram is a diagrammatic representation of partial order relation. We know that a relation is partial order relation if it is reflexive, anti-symmetric and transitive. Figure A shows the digraph representation of a partial order relation. Here 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3 and 4 related to 4. So all the elements in the set is related to itself, so it is reflexive. Also 1 related to 2, it's upward relation only, that is 1 related to 2 but 2 is not related to 1, so it is not symmetric. Definitely it is anti-symmetric, that is A related to B and B related to A only when A is equal to B. Okay, the relation is anti-symmetric. Also it is transitive because 1 related to 2 and 2 related to 3, then 1 related to 3 exists, 2 related to 3, 3 related to 4, then 2 related to 4 exists. Also 1 related to 3 and 3 related to 4 and 3 related to 4, then 1 related to 4 exists. Therefore this relation is transitive. Clearly, a partial order relation is reflexive and transitive. So, this representation, the loop represented by if we delete this loop representation, uh, we all we can make that one is related to itself. For making a Hayes diagram, first we delete the loop due to reflexive property. The reflexive property represented by this loop. We delete this loop from this graph. Also, if we delete all the loops, we get the figure 2. Delete the loops. Delete the loops means we delete the representation of reflexivity. There is no need to represent reflexivity for a partial ordering relation because a partial ordering relation is clearly reflexive if 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements in the partial order set, then definitely 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3 and 4 related to 4. So there is no need to show the relation by a loop. So we delete from this figure the loop representations. Also the transitivity is understood in a partial order relation. So we delete the edges showing transitivity. 1 related to 2 and 2 related to 3. This edge 1, 3 shows the transitivity. So we delete this edge. Also 2 related to 3 and 3 related to 4. 2 related to 4. This edge 2, 4 shows the transitivity. So we delete it. Again 1 related to 3 and 3 related to 4 is also 1 related to 4 shows the transitivity. So we delete the transitivity edges. We get the Hayes diagram as 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3 and 3 related to 4. Here in this Hayes diagram there is only upward relations exist. 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3. Partial ordering relation is definitely transitive. Therefore, without representation of an edge, it is clear that 1 is related to 3. Also 2 related to 3 and 3 related to 4. Here 2 related to 4 is clearly there, but we not represent it by an edge. It's a simple representation of the partial ordering relation. Also, from Hayes diagram, you can write a partial order relation. From figure C, it is clear that 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3, 4 related to 4. Also 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3 and 1 related to 3, 2 related to 3, 3 related to 4, then 2 related to 4. Also 1 related to 3 and 3 related to 4, it is 1 related to 4. Okay. check whether the following relation is a partial ordering relation. Also represent the partial ordering relation by a Hayes diagram. A set A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 and relation R is equal to set ordered pair 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Relation is reflexive since 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3 and 4 related to 4. Also it is antisymmetric and also it is transitive. Therefore this relation is partial ordering relation. First we represent this partial ordering relation by a diagram. Here 4 vertices, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 related to 1, it's a digraph representation. 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3 and 4 related to 4. Also 1 related to 2, 1 related to 3 and 1 related to 4. Also 2 related to 3 and 2 related to 4, 3 related to 4, 4 related to 4. Okay. This is the digraph representation. First we delete the loops from this graph. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 related to 2. This graph obtained after deleting the loops from the first digraph. Okay. Here also 1 related to 3 and 3 related to 4. Also 1 related to 4. Here 1 related to 4. So 1 related to 4. That is 1, 3 and 3, 4 belongs to R implies 1, 4 belongs to R by the transitivity property. Also 2, 3 and 3, 4. So 2, 4 belongs to the relation. 2, 3 and 3, 4 belongs to R implies 2, 4 belongs to R. Okay. Also, any other relations? 1, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 4. 1, 2, 2, 4 belongs to R. Then 1, 4 belongs to R. That is, this edges 1, 4, 2, 4 and okay, again 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4 and 2, 4 shows the transitivity property. So we delete these edges. We get 1, 3, 2, 1. We delete the edges 1, 4 and 2, 4. We delete the edges 1, 4 and 2, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3 is the relation 2, 3. Two related to 3. Okay, 2 related to 3. 1 related to 2. 1 related to. Okay. There is again also a transitive relation. 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3, then 1, 3 is again in the set. Okay. 1 related to 2 and 2 related to 3. 1, 2 and 2, 3 belongs to R. That implies 1, 3 belongs to R. So we delete this edge also. 1, 3 is also deleted from the graph. So we get 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. We represent this as a Hayes diagram. Hayes diagram always show upward relation. So 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3 and 3 related to 4. Okay. This is the Hayes diagram representation of this relation. Now we do another example. A is equal to set 1, 2. Its power set is set null set 1, set 2, set 1, 2. We define a relation on the power set of A, that is the null set related to itself, set 1 related to itself, set 2 related to itself, set 1, 2 related to itself, null related to set 1, set 2, set 1, 2, also set 1 related to 1, 2 and set 2 related to 1, 2. First we draw a diagram representing this relation as null set 1, set 2 and set 1, 2 are the elements in the power set listed as vertices of the digraph, and phi related to phi, and set 2 related to itself, set 1 related to itself, also set 1, 2 related to itself, because the relation is reflexive. Also it is antisymmetric and transitive, so this relation is partially ordered relation. So here phi related to 1 and phi related to 2 and phi related to 1, 2, also set 1 related to set 1, 2 and set 2 related to set 1, 2. By deleting the loops, we shows the reflexive relation is clearly in partial ordering relation. Also we delete the transitivity edges from this graph. Here one null set related to 2 and true related to set 1, 2. So this edge null set 1, 2 represent the transitivity relation. So we delete this edge from this graph. Also null set to 1 and 1 to 2, 1, 2. Here say null set to 1, 2 is a transitivity relation. So we remove this edge from the graph. Okay, this is the Hayes diagram representation of this relation. Another example, A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 6 and a relation is defined on the set A. First we draw the diagram 1, 2, 3, 6. The relation is reflexive. It is partial order relation, so it is reflexive. It shows by the loop. Then 1 related to 3, 1 related to 6, 1 related to 2, 2 related to 6, 3 related to 6. Okay. We want to draw Hayes diagram. In Hayes diagram, the edges represent the reflexivity and transitivity are deleted. Here, these loops representing reflexivity, so we delete from this graph. The loops are deleted from this graph. Also, the transitivity edges. Here, 1 related to 3 and 3 related to 6. This 1 related to 6 shows the transitivity property. So, we remove this edge. Okay, so its Hayes diagram is like this. Hayes diagram is a directed graph. There is no need to show arrows. So Hayes diagram like this. Hayes diagram is always upward relations. 1 related to 2. There is no relation from 2 to 1. Okay. 1 related to 3 and 3 related to 6 and this 2 related to 6. Definitely it is transitive, therefore 1 related to 6 is clearly understood here, but by an edge we are not representing that relation. Okay. Draw Hayes diagram for given poset. We know that poset is a set together with a partial order relation. Here a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a relation less than or equal to. Less than or equal to is a partial order relation because every element is less than or equal to itself. So it is a reflexive. Also anti-symmetric, not symmetric, also transitive. 1 less than or equal to 2 and 2 less than or equal to 3 implies 1 less than or equal to 3. So this relation is partial order relation. So partial order relation together with a set, this set is known as poset. Okay. How can we show this relation using Hayes diagram? Here we know that if we start from 1 less than or equal to 2 and this 2 less than or equal to 3 and 3 less than or equal to 4 and 4 less than or equal to 5. So this shows the Hayes diagram. Okay. In this Hayes diagram, it is clear that 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3, 4 related to 4 and 5 related to 5. Also, the Hayes diagram shows a partial order relation, so it is transitive. So 1 related to 3, 2 related to 5, also 1 related to 4. Okay. This is the Hayes diagram representation. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 together with the divides. Okay, 1 divides 2, 2 divides 4, 3 divides 6 and 6 divides 12 in the set. Okay, now we show this poset by a Hayes diagram. Here the relation is divisible by. So 1, first we represent 1, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3 and 2 divides 4 and 2 divides 6. 3 also divides 6 and 4 and 6 divides 12. So this is the Hayes diagram representation of this poset. Next, consider another poset, a set, null set, set 1, set 2, set 1, 2 under the operation inclusion. Here null set is a subset of set 1. Null set is a subset of set 2 and also set 1 is a subset of set 1, 2 and set 2 is a subset of set 1, 2. Here null set is a subset of 1, 2 is clear because null set is a subset of set 2 and 2 is a subset of set 1, 2. This edge is not appear in the Hayes diagram because this edge shows the transitivity property. Transitivity is understood in a partial order relation. So this edge is not appear in the Hayes diagram. So this is the Hayes diagram of this third relation. Consider another poset, set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 under the operation divisible by. 1 is divisible by, divides 1, 2 divides 1 and 1 divides 2, here only upward direction relation. 1 divides 2 and 1 divides 3, 2 divides 4, 2 divides 6, also 3 divides 6 and 3 divides 9. Okay, this is the diagram of this poset. Here also divides. 1 divides 2, 2 divides 3, 3 divides 6 and 2 divides 6, also 3 divides 9, 6 and 9 divides 18. Okay, this is the Hayes diagram of this poset. Next is, here it is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30 and divides. Divides is the relation. Divides is a relation with this set is a poset because it's a partial ordering relation. First 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 5. But 2 not divides 3 and 3 not divides 5. 2 divides 6, also 3 divides 6. Also 5 divides 10 and okay, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3 and 1 divides 5. Then 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6. Then 2 divides 10, 5 divides 10. Also 3 divides 15 and 5 divides 15. Also 10 divides 30, 15 divides 30 and 6 divides 30. So this is the Hayes diagram representation of this poset. Okay.